I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the app can send notifications and your Android version supports per app tones. Once ready, open Settings and go to Apps or Apps and Notifications. Tap the app you want to change so you land on its info page. This is where Android exposes notification channels or general notification settings. Make sure to tap Notifications next. That opens the list of channels or toggles. If you don't see channels, you'll still be able to change the app's main notification. You now see notification channels. Each controls a type of alert within the app. Tap the channel whose sound you want to change. If there's a general notifications entry, use that. Choose sound, and the system picker shows default tones plus any custom files. To add a custom tone, select Add or choose a file from your Music or Downloads folder. Android accepts MP3 or OGG in most builds. Once you pick a file, the preview plays, so you confirm the new sound for that channel. Once you save the sound, test by having the app send a notification or triggering one yourself. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Global Mute isn't blocking sounds, and verify battery optimization hasn't silenced background notifications. If your custom tone doesn't appear, move the audio file into the notifications folder at the device root and reselect it. Some Android versions only show tones in that directory. If problems persist, reboot the phone and retry. That clears media cache and refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.